Welcome to Vlogtober, day number 26. The time is now 2:23 and my day has been filled with work today. I woke up and went to Panera Bread and I did some work there after dropping Angelina off. Had some lunch with hubby and I finished doing work there. Left from there and went to the school and made copies of some scripts for students and then finalizing rehearsal calendars and schedules and things like that. So I have rehearsal with my students today at 4 again. So I've taken a break, one, so I can come home. I want to make sure everything's going to be okay at home when my family get there. As you guys know, in yesterday's vlog, which I'm actually posting today, you guys, so even the vlogs that I have been finishing on time and uploading, for whatever reason, it's taking like a day. Excuse me, somebody else hit me. It's taking like a day for them to upload. So this yesterday's video, I've been uploading all morning. I don't know what the deal is, but this Vlogtober has been quite different. But I'm still trying to get that video up today before I post this one up. So anyway, that one is uploading, and in it you will see that I made the beef stew for dinner yesterday. So I'm headed home right now so that I can make cornbread to go with the beef stew, and dinner will be complete for my family since I will be at rehearsal today for a couple of hours. So yeah, it's almost 2:30. I'm gonna head home now and make the cornbread for them and have it ready, and take the beef stew out, have it on the stove, ready to go. And then I gotta head back to the school. I'm gonna get me a coffee before I get there because I need a bit of a pick-me-up. It's been constant working. And I'm gonna also let you see a little snippet. I'm gonna only be rehearsing with a few of the students today, so it won't be all of them, thank goodness, because they are excited today. It's been, I think it is, like, what do they call it? Drug Awareness Week. So every day they're doing something in some type of costume or something to bring awareness to drugs. Don't do them. So today they're in costume again and they're excited. I'm saying all that to say they are really excited and have a lot of energy today. Okay. So I'm thankful to only be working with a few of the students for rehearsal today because a lot of that energy, I was just up there for a couple of hours. Okay. It was too much. So kudos to my fellow teachers that are there with them for 8 hours today. I can't do it. Can't do it. So I'll be doing that with them, and then heading to, hopefully I can finally get to the store. We'll see. Okay, if you see me go to the store in this vlog, then just know I am happy because I've been trying to get there for a minute now. But anyway, headed home, gonna make the cornbread. I'll let you guys see me make the cornbread, and then I'm gonna head back to the school and let you guys peek in on rehearsal a little bit. They are ready and smelling really good. Got my little timer going off there. But there our muffins are. Make sure everything is on. All right, so I'm gonna butter these bad boys, and yeah, dinner's served. I have the beef stew over here warming up again. You'll see that. Warming up, smelling delicious, and then our delicious cornbread, and that is dinner. All right, everybody, I've just added butter to our cornbread muffins, and that makes this meal complete. Okay, everybody, it is morning time, and it is the next day, and I cannot find my footage. I'm up at the theater right now, and I was trying to finish the video so I could upload it for you guys, and I think I have accidentally deleted yesterday's footage. So with that being said, I'm just gonna tell you how I closed out the day on yesterday. So after I made the cornbread muffins, I went to school and I had my rehearsal with the kids. I recorded some of that. You guys didn't get to see it. I'll make sure I get some of that today. And then I went home and I had to do a sponsorship video for my TikTok account, which was the Delicious Door box that I shared with you guys. So I completed that full video, and that was it. I went to bed. I did eat some of my delicious beef stew. I'm gonna put a picture of it here for you guys to see what it looked like. It's also like the color that I used on yesterday's vlog as well. But stew and the cornbread were delicious. Sorry I cannot find that footage. I think I had to have accidentally deleted it. It is nowhere to be found. So anyway, that is it for today's vlog. I've already started working on today's vlog. So anyway, that is it. I hope that you guys did enjoy what I did get to get on camera for you all. As always, thank you so much for joining me. It is always a pleasure. I will talk to you later on today, because I'm recording today's vlog in this video. Well, I'll talk to you in the next vlog. Love you guys so much. Thanks for always joining me. I appreciate you. Mwah. Have a blessed and prosperous day.